Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a hot topic, but with its rise comes a slew of misconceptions. Let's debunk the top 5 myths about AI to reduce fear and confusion. Myth 1. AI will take over all jobs. One of the most pervasive myths is that AI will replace all human jobs. While AI can automate repetitive tasks, it is unlikely to take over all jobs. Instead, AI is expected to create new job categories and enhance existing roles. For example, AI can handle data analysis, allowing humans to focus on strategic decision-making and creative tasks. The World Economic Forum predicts that AI will create more jobs than it displaces by 2025. Myth 2. AI is only for tech experts. Another common misconception is that AI is only accessible to tech experts. In reality, AI tools are becoming increasingly user-friendly. Platforms like Microsoft, Azure, and Google Cloud offer AI services that require minimal coding knowledge. Additionally, many industries from healthcare to finance are integrating AI into their operations, making it accessible to a broader audience. Myth 3. AI can think and feel like humans. Many people believe that AI can think and feel like humans thanks to portrayals in movies and media. However, current AI systems are not capable of human-like cognition or emotions. AI operates based on algorithms and data, lacking consciousness and self-awareness. While AI can mimic certain human behaviors, it does not possess genuine understanding or emotions. Myth 4. AI is infallible. Some assume that AI systems are always accurate and reliable. However, AI is only as good as the data it is trained on. If the data is biased or flawed, the AI's outputs will reflect those issues. Moreover, AI systems can make mistakes, especially in complex or unpredictable environments. It's crucial to have human oversight to ensure AI's decisions are ethical and accurate. Myth 5. AI will soon surpass human intelligence. The idea that AI will soon surpass human intelligence is a myth fueled by science fiction. While AI has made significant strides, it is far from achieving artificial general intelligence, which would match human cognitive abilities across various tasks. Current AI excels in narrow applications but lacks the generalization and adaptability of human intelligence. Debunking these myths is essential to understanding AI's true potential and limitations. AI is a powerful tool that can augment human capabilities, but it is not a replacement for human intelligence or creativity. By dispelling these misconceptions, we can foster a more informed and balanced view of AI, paving the way for its responsible and beneficial use. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more on the AI revolution.